You've got a fast car, I wanted to get anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I've got nothing to prove. You've got a fast car, I've got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far, just across the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living.